If I asked you for the square root of -16, you'd probably tell me it's 4i. But what happens when we go deeper? Today, we're looking for the fourth roots of -16. Most people think there's only one answer, or that it's impossible altogether. But there are actually four distinct solutions hidden in the complex plane. Let's find them. Find the fourth roots of -16. To find the fourth roots of -16, you need to solve the equation. First, express -16 in polar form. The complex number -16 can be written as... This is because -16 lies on the negative real axis, and its magnitude is 16, with an angle of pi radians, 180 degrees. The fourth roots of a complex number Re raised to power I theta are given by here, R equals 16 and theta equals pi. So the magnitude of each root is... The angles for the roots are... Now, compute the four roots.
The four fourth roots of 16 are...
And there you have it.